Hi everyone. Today, myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use solid editing tools in AutoCAD 3D. Here, brief information about Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Winjo company and partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industry. Today agenda. My agenda is create any modification through solid editing command. So how to do it? I would like to present this tool is also most important role creating in 3D model. So let's move on AutoCAD screen and we will see how to use solid editing tools like extrude faces, cell, etc. Here, this is my AutoCAD screen and this is red cube box. And this tab, solid editing tab. So today I'll cover solid editing tools. First of all, extrude faces. So extrude faces is what used through extrude faces. If we want to add any face material and something thickness, height or angle, so we can use extrude faces. We will see how to use extrude faces. So first of all, select extrude faces, then select face, which face we want to add, enter, then specify height of extrusion. So here give the height, suppose 50, enter, and angle suppose I have given 15, enter. Then you can see that this box is added height from 50, this point, and angle is 15 degree. So what angle is 15? This line and this line between angle is 15 degree, like every side's 15-degree taper. Okay. So next tool I would like to show you here, orbit command. We can rotate any object as per the requirement. If we want to change this top surface red color to yellow color, so how can change it? Go to color faces, select face, enter and give the color, then OK. And next command is cell command. So cell command, go to solid editing tab, cell, first of all select a 3D solid. Next in command line option is remove faces. So which face we want to remove, select it, just select it, then enter and give the cell offset distance. So cell offset distance I have given 10 and enter. Then what happened? This wall is thickness is 10 mm. all round 10 thickness wall, and remaining material will be removed. So this is cell command. So today I have covered extrude faces, color faces, and cell command in solidating tab. So guys, for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query or topic you want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.